usually up there. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Walixipu. I want to do a quick roll call. On a count of three, the first row, I want you to say what school you represent. 1, 2, 3. What school? Can't hear you. What school?
Mockinggate.
Thank you for being here. Roll call. Next row. Count of three. What school are you from? 1, 2, 3. Can't hear you.
Shenectady District.
Awesome. Thank you for being here. Count of three. Next row. Please tell me what school you're from. 1, 2, 3. Can't hear you. Come on. One more try. Oh, yay. Great. Thank you for being here.
Hi, Stephanie.
Next row. Count of three. Nice and loud. 1, 2, 3. Wow. There you go. Thank you for being here. Next row. Count of three. What school are you representing? 1, 2, 3. Great job, everyone. Thank you for being here. I'm going to introduce our MC, Miss Elle Michael, and I'll pass the mic over to her.
Welligisko gum sidwen. Can I get a big Aussie gum eloiganik? That's how we say 6, 7 in Mi'kmaq. Aussie gum eloiganik. First off, I want to thank you guys for standing and being so patient with the big people getting everything in order. We have a couple things to do. I have to introduce a couple people. We're going to stand a little bit more. There's going to be music. There's going to be opportunity to dance. But we got to listen to some people speak right now. So you guys are doing great. Just give me a little more of your undivided attention and we'll get this done. Mary Lou, open.
Can we take a mic to Mary Lou?
I'm not sure.
Pete, can we take a mic?
Can we take the mic to her, Jewel? Can I take this mic to Mary Lou? It's attached to the pole. So welcome to the Fill Your Heart event. You'll notice the big heart right here. Generally, the school goes before the community does, but Creator and Mother Nature said, we're going to do it opposite this year. At this time, I'd like to welcome Mary Lou Bernard to come up and open us with an opening blessing.
Waliaksitpug. Dandel wisitniskam, auchidniskam, ahojiwuliniskam, nadliaj. Nuchinen waso gabin. Jiptuk delwisin megided mek waso gantlidanen. Jiptuk ignimuye kulanamule kuledesnen. Nadel waso gaikik deliskadaski. Jiptuk elpnin endeliskadleg maamige keimek. Delamugu benigel esmiego. Apnigeskis lamuktis penegenemuin inunau. Deliabiksik de atji, wagaiwinamet de benig. Elpgil niskam deliabiksik tuin. Elwe woltiag, mulgunin. Meej winstudil mutigalin. Gesnugwamkul, winchigul go el, jigladwin. Nadliaj. Dandel wisit niskam, ochid niskam, achwajuli niskam. Nadliaj. Malalio.
Well, all in Mary Lou. I thank you, everyone, for showing respect during that prayer. I was very, very thankful. And now I'm going to ask our chief, Michelle Glasgow, to come up with some opening remarks.
Wuliepsi Book. Thank you, Al, for MC. Thank you, Mary Lou, for your opening prayer. A little bit closer. Maybe it's got to go up a little bit higher. Or I'm not even messing with it. Every single time. Microphones. Hey. There. Okay. Kwe. Dondeli Bejidayok. Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for being here today. I want to acknowledge the residential school survivors that are here today. We hear you and we see you. We acknowledge your strength and your resilience. And we thank you for showing us love. Despite everything that you've been through, thank you for showing us love. I want to begin by acknowledging that we are on the traditional district of Sipekne'katik, one of the 7 districts of Mi'kma'ki, and the ancestral and unceded territory of the Mi'kmaq people. Our rich history is embedded in this land, and it holds our stories for generations. Today, we stand near the site of the former residential school. This location holds a history that teaches us the importance of truth and courage. This institution, the only one of its kind in the Maritimes, represents a difficult past where Mi'kmaq and other indigenous children were forced to attend. We acknowledge and remember and honor the children who were taken and their survivors who carried the truth home. The truth we learn today is a profound lesson for the future. As Mi'kmaq people, we are guided by the teachings of the 7 generations, and it asks us to look far into the future, 7 generations ahead, and work hard to make sure our choices today create a beautiful and healthy world for them tomorrow. This teaching places you, the students of today, at the very heart of our path forward. This is where the journey of reconciliation truly begins. It is a journey we are all on together. On September 30th, at our National Day for Truth and Reconciliation gathering, we started to fill this heart with flags. Each flag a promise of hope, commitment, and a wish for a better tomorrow. This heart is still being filled, and it symbolizes the work we all need to do to fill our communities with understanding, respect, and kindness. This is the power of education and open dialogue. Reconciliation starts right in the hallways of your schools, right in your classrooms, and around your dinner tables. Be brave enough to ask questions, to listen respectfully, and to teach one another. To our incredible youth, you are the reason we continue this work. You are the promise of a brighter future. You are the generation who will carry our language, our stories, and our culture forward, not in shame, but in pride. You are our hope and our promise. To those standing with us, your presence is a powerful act of support. Your job is to take the lessons of this day and turn them into meaningful change. We ask that you continue the conversation long after you leave this site. Reconciliation lives in your choices, in your friendships, and in your commitment to open, honest dialogues. Today is a day of healing and unity. Every step we take on this land needs to be towards reconciliation. Every conversation we start and every flag we place in this heart, these are acts of love. Walalan.
Walalio, Chief. Walalio, Chief Michelle. I just want to take a moment. Better? No, it is better. I just want to take a moment and in our community, we had one of our residential school survivors recently pass away. And this residential school survivor was not only a really important person of our community, but he was also my godfather. And we had conversations in the last couple months. And he said, whatever happens to us, I want the students to fill that heart. I want them to bring, I'm waiting for the truck to go by. I want them to bring good energy to a place of such darkness, of such sad. Please make sure it still happens. So at this time, I'd like to take a moment, and remember my uncle Bernie Knockwood. Thank you, everyone. My godfather, even though he went through all the trials and tribulation of the residential school, was still able to love, was still able to care, and he was a safe space for a lot of us. Our family today go to have his burial and his service, and I just want you guys to keep that in your minds and your hearts, that we as Indigenous people, if you claim any Indigenacy in your bloodline, you're proof that the place that we're standing at didn't work, that we are still here. We will continue to be here, that our language is we're able to save it. We'll share our language with everyone and anyone. That is the goal of all of us standing here today. So walalio humsiduen. I have some lovely dancers here with us, and I'm going to sing the honor song along with my cousin Deanne. And we're going to welcome those dancers in. We're going to honor our survivors, Mary Lou. My eyes are all welled up right now, but I see you down there. I see you. I love you. And we're going to sing this honor song. And not only is it for all our elders, but it's to remind everyone that the Mi'kmaq are still here. The Mi'kmaq will always be here. If you take a look around, even Mother Nature put on her orange today. We are still here. Getting me de damane, don't tell you no day. Nigga much to get my we done it. Getting me de damane, don't well a back so tea. Nigga much to, I wanna badu in it. Badu kinechtan kisu teligalu se hula siskamu we aheo we I wanna badu teenage. I wanna badu teenage. Ta gizu deligalu. Se hula siskamu. Way a heo. Way a way high. Way a way high. Way away 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 high. Hey oh. Getting me dead of my neck. Don Deliel no di. Niga march to game we done it. Getting me dead of my neck. Don Wellebeck so di. Niga march to. Hey, I wanna bado teenage. Hey, I wanna bado teenage. Don gisu deligalu. Se hula siskamu. Way a hey oh. Way away high. 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 Hey oh. Way away high. 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 Hey oh. Can you guys say Tahoe? In Mi'kmaq, when we get a good song or we see somebody dancing really good, we say Tahoe. And then we say 6-7. Asigamela Wiganik. Yeah, good.
So everybody that's holding a flag, please raise your flags. Great job. Give them a little wave. These flags represent love, courage, compassion. These flags represent the littles that went to this school. They represent our survivors. So as we're placing the flags in the center of the heart, please recognize that. So on the count of 3, I want everybody to say to our survivors, I love you. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Gezalul.
We can also say I love you in Mi'kmaq by saying Gesalu. I say it, you say it. Gesalu. So each of these little flags, they're going to be standing here, and they're going to be a big representation that can be seen from space. That the Mi'kmaq are still here. That we still matter. That our culture is sacred. That our elders are sacred. When you put your flag down today, I want you to think of your granddad, your Grammy, your auntie, your uncle. People you didn't even know, your great-great-great-Grammy on your mother's side. And the strength that they showed. I shared the story of Phyllis Gugu. And I shared it with my ladybugs, with the little kids. And I'm wearing my ladybug shirt today. It was a gift. And Phyllis used the ladybugs to keep her language alive through her years here at the residential school. But it was so much so that when she got back to her home and her mother spoke Mi'kmaq to her, the only word that Phyllis remembered was dus. Dus is an affectionate term we use for somebody younger than us. And it's our precious one, our loved one. I call all my students my duses and my gwisses. Because to me, you guys are all sacred. How are we going to do this? Are we going school by school?
No, remember the...
Are they going to put the flags in first and then round in?
Yeah, flags and
Yeah.
round in.
All right. Here's the thing about changing the date. Our agenda is now in my mind and in my heart. So we're going to now go one school at a time to place the flags within the heart. And we're going to start down right here, right in front of me, the school right here.
Tell them to line up around when they're done placing.
Yeah, go away, put your flags in the heart, and then line up because we're going to jump right into a round dance. They put me in a residential school when I was 6 years old. They forced me from my family and all I'd ever known. I cried out for my mama, but she could not hear me. I was 200 miles away in Shubenacadie. They tried to break my spirit. I wouldn't let them see me cry. They held my head underwater until I almost died. I can still hear screaming deep inside of me, and I will always bear the scars of Shubenacadie. I learned how to hate, and I learned how to fight, and love had no room in my heart of stone. But zik dik dulawa elamalo, to find love I had to forgive. And with forgiveness I found love. Oh, eh, ha, eh, ha, eh. Second school, you can come on, coming up.
Tell them to space it out. Lots of space.
Yep, lots of space. Fill up the heart. Walking, please. Walking. You guys are carrying metal rods. The heart hasn't moved. It never will. Now I found forgiveness. I can hold my head up high. Mi'kmaq I am, and Mi'kmaq I'll die. The wisdom from the elders helps set my heart free from the sins of the residential school in Shubenacadie. I learned how to hate, and I learned how to fight, and love had no room in my heart of stone. 'Cause ikdu willama elamalo, to find love I had to forgive. And with forgiveness I found love. Oh, eh, ha, eh, ha, eh. I learned how to hate, and I learned how to fight, and love had no room in my heart of stone. 'Cause it took a while to find love I had to forgive. Next school, please. With forgiveness I found love. Oh, eh, ha, eh, ha, eh. We're going to need everybody to come on back to our heart because we're going to make a nice big circle of human beings around it for our round dance. Thank you for going back to your pylon, though. You were listening to instructions. Guanalia guanudana he, Guanalia guanude, Guanalia guanuda he ya he o, he go he gande, he go he go he gande, Guanalia guanudana he, Guanalia guanude, Guanalia guanuda he he o. Alrighty, after you get your flag in, make sure to make your way to around the edge of the heart, because we're going to jump right into a round dance. He go, Next school, please. Guanalia, please walk. You guys are carrying metal rods. Please walk. We need no pokey on the hill, okay? Those are different reasons. They're trying to highlight our lines. Yeah, we got more down there. Guanalia, guanuda, hey, hey-o. Higo, higande, higo, higande. Fill in the hearts, guys. Guanalia, guanudana, hey. Guanalia, guanude. Guanalia, guanuda, hey, hey-o. LSK, Jugue, Aladet. Walking, though. These are my kids. You guys better walk. I don't see nobody running. There's no running in baseball. Guanalia, guanuda, hey, hey-o. Ego, igande, ego, igande. Guanalia, guanudana, hey. Guanalia, guanude. Guanalia, guanuda, hey, hey-o. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, no, I'm good. I got all my kids putting my flags in. They're all out there. I see them. I want to give a special shout out to our Mi'kma'ki princesses and our quine. Thank you for representing us, not only of Sipekne'katik and Millbrook, but all of Mi'kma'ki. We love and appreciate you girls. You guys are going to kick butt next year, just saying. I also want to thank, again, the elders that are here. Make sure you hug an elder today, but always ask for consent. You see Keith running around in a hyper yellow. He's the one plugging all the things, making sure we have electricity. I got my NK sound crew behind me, being all cute. And my little Michael J. Look, he hid. I scared him. We also have Sipekne'katik Education Department, and I'm seeing, what's your department? What is your department? METS. And the METS program, carrying around, doing all the things, providing the shirts, providing the transportation for our elders. There's water, all these good things. Make sure our flags are all in. Once your flags are all in, I'm going to get you guys to start making a nice big circle full of people. We're going to do a round dance. After we do the round dance, we're going to be done. We're going to make our way back to Sipekne'katik District School, I believe. I don't know if is everybody doing that? Everybody's going? Okay. So after we do the round dance, we're going to do a walk. We're going to walk away from the residential school. We're going to do what some of our elders couldn't do. Hey, there's Michael. I like your boots. Those are nice boots. Alrighty, so our goal is to make a nice big friendship circle. If this isn't your cup of tea, stand beside the friendship circle. Do not go further than your guardians can see you. I get it. It's a lot of people. A lot of sweaty hands. Are all the flags in? Give me a big Tahoe if the flags are done. Gentleman who has flags in his book bag, can you put those in the heart, please? Balin, who's beside you? He's got flags in his book bag. He didn't know. So now we're going to do a friendship song, a friendship dance. And of course, I'm going to kick it out old school with a good old Yue Haya. If you know the song, sing along with me. Hold hands with the person beside you. We always dance in the clockwise motion. So if you're the queen of Mi'kmaq, you're going to walk down the hill. You're a great leader. Here we go. Friendship song. Friendship dance. If you need more room, you can take a couple steps back on both sides of the heart. Back up a little bit. If you have a drone, this is a really cool picture. Okay. Watch out for my speaker, though, ladies and gentlemen. Up top of the hill, get your back up. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, watch over the cords. That's why we had the thing on there. Oh, the queens have suggested 2 circles. An inner circle and an outer circle. There we go. I like that. Leaders of tomorrow, working today. Just don't everybody leave the outer circle. So if you're in a younger grade, if you're in grade 5 and below, go to the inner circle. If you're in older grades, like high school, go to the outer circle. It'll work. It'll work. Watch. Yeah. So if you're a little kid, you're going to go up front. Junior high and high school, they're going to watch our backs. Watch us. Hey, language, guys. I have a microphone right here. Don't stop me from going to your school and sit in ISS with you, 'cause I will. Here we go. You guys are going the wrong direction. Nice. Little kids in the inner circle with their appropriate teachers and teaching assistants. Bigger kids on the outer circle with the attitude. I'm hearing from Miss Brooks that he needs you guys to scrunch together. Scrunch together. Hold the hand. If you can't hold the hand of the person beside you, grab onto their book bag. Grab onto their sleeve. Remember, it's all cool. You a higher, you a higher, you a higher, you a higher, way higher, yo, way higher, yo, you a higher, way higher, way higher, yo, you a higher, you a higher, you a higher, you a higher, way higher, yo, way higher, yo, you a higher, way higher, way higher, yo. My grade 5s, hold hands. You a higher, you a higher, you a higher, you a higher, way higher, yo, way higher, yo, you a higher, way higher, way higher, yo. You a higher, you a higher, you a higher, you a higher, way higher, yo, way higher, yo, you a higher, way higher, way higher, yo. You a higher, you a higher, you a higher, you a higher, way higher, yo, way higher, yo, you a higher, way higher, way higher, yo. You a higher. want you guys to stand there. Take a moment. Lift your hands up to Creator. We are still here. Now, please, don't everybody run. Go back and find your teacher, your education assistant, your pylon, because we're getting ready. We are now going, we're marching over, right? We're going to be marching from the residential school to Shubenacadie District. We have a police escort. I seen them standing on the road. So please, find your schools. I was going, man. I seen you going. I got to keep going.
I wonder if we could play music while you guys are marching over.
I got to go. I got to go to my uncle's.
No, I mean,
Yeah.
through the sound system.
I seen you going. I was like, oh, that's it. That's all I got. That's all I got. That's all I got.
That was time.
Oh, it's on there. Thanks. I hope that wasn't on the whole time. I was sitting here cutting you guys up. Thank you. You edit.
Mostly.
Please watch out for the cords from my two speakers. You'll see bracelets on the ground. Those bracelets are to let you know there's cords around. Bracelets on the ground. Bracelets on the ground. Cords all around. Bracelets on the ground. Remix. Hey. Do them. Use them. So at the end of her documentary, it's on the internet. She says, "I love you, ladybugs," but she says it in Mi'kmaq, and that's what it is. Yeah, I love you, ladybugs. Yeah. My godfather. All right. You can turn off my microphone now, Julian. Cut me off. No, thank you, Keon. You don't need a microphone, Keon. Just yell it. I was gonna say those were keeping my cords. You probably did that.
Way out, 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 way out. Dinamu nut opi dem. Dinamu jigmona. Dinamu don wedi die. Dinamu bepe mi die. Dinamu don pelgalu. Whole new way. Dinamu squidgy new. go